Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope that you are safe but that you are sound asleep because it is 2:30 in the morning and I cannot sleep. I am so up and so is Chassis. When I'm up, Chassis is up. My husband is so sound asleep. So I hope that you're also dreaming, having a good dream, and you know you're very safe out there. I have listened to many crafters tonight trying to fall asleep, but I really can't. I've listened to Ayesha of Young's Paper Creations. I love her channel. You know how I love her because she's also just very awesome and so positive. So I had to go way back when she started uploading because I miss so much in her channel, and oh my goodness, she's just a wonderful person. So go check her out. I also watched Angela Kerr. She always provides amazing projects and I love her tutorial. I've watched Jen from Jen's Junk. I love her channel too, and of course those popular crafters out there like Wendy and Leo, Mrs. Cog, Tracy Fox, and Nick the Booksmith. I love them all. So if you're a new crafter, go check their channel because they always provide amazing tutorials and you will learn from them, as I also do learn from them. So I hope that you're just, you know, dreaming, having a good dream. But tonight, or this morning, shall I say, is going to be different for me. I'd like to do more embellishments because I'm running out of them. And I have a lot of scrap paper from book pages, and so I am going to use them, and I'd like to show you what I mean by that. So these are some of the die cuts that I just did a few minutes ago. So I always make a head or build a head. And these are embellishments that I use in my personal journals, and sometimes when I sell my journals I also provide embellishments to go with the journal that I sell. So like, look at these ones. These are, you know, very cute mason jar die cuts and all this flowers. I don't know if you can see this well, but hopefully my camera is up there, so I don't know if I am on frame. I hope so. But look at this intricate design, right? They're beautiful. And you know what I use to make this die cuts? I use my scrap. So much scrap in here, and let me show you what I mean. So when I make envelopes, I use book pages and I stain them with either coffee or tea, or I learned from Dani how she dyes her paper with avocado, and I followed her tutorial, and I can provide a link in the description below because she provides very good tutorial, and I follow that. And look at this. So I make envelopes out of the avocado dyed paper and the tea dyed paper, and so I have all these envelopes and I sell them I sell this in my neldascrafts Etsy shop. Oh my goodness, I can't even remember the name of my shop. So because I have two shops, right? Anyways, yeah, so I sell a few of these, and I use the book pages and vintage book pages, but I still stain them either avocado or what am I saying? Tea dye them or coffee stain them, and then I still distress this. So it's a lot of work, but I sell a few of them, and so that's what I do. Or I also have these butterflies, and I love using these butterflies in my personal journal. And when I get my journals sold as well, I provide extra embellishments, and I always provide, you know, this embellishments, butterflies. So that's what I would like to do, and I hope that you stay with me. And I also make you know, this coin envelopes, and I sell a few of these also. But most of the stuff that I sell in my neldascrafts, aside from the journals, are the dyed seam binding, crinkled seam binding. So let's see here. If I can just check if I'm on the frame. Okay, I think that's the best that I can do. I hope you can see well. And I hope that you can hear me. I know that my last video wasn't, you know, it didn't provide the best audio, but I hope if you're able to watch that last video when I unboxed the little cabinet, the plastic cabinet. I didn't like the audio, but you know, it's still out there if you want to listen to that. Anyway, so I am going to use the Big Shot, and we are going to make some butterflies. Okay, so, and if you can see my plates, oh my goodness, look at that. They are so used, but don't worry, they still work. I have the replacement plates, but it's still untouched because I'm still using, I love these plates. I'm still using this, and you know, I will only use the replacement when this one breaks. So it has a very long lifeline. Okay, so we're gonna do some butterflies, and I have, how many butterflies do I have? So I have quite a few, but you know what, I'm gonna just randomly select. So let's do that. And I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but you will eventually. So that's what I do is, you know, I just line up 6 butterflies, and we are going to use the scrap paper. Okay, so I'm gonna use these because I don't want to waste them, and they are avocado dyed. So, and you know, kudos to Danny. I'm pretty sure that this is where I learned how to dye my paper with avocado, is through her channel. So there you go. And that's what I do, is just, you know, just like that, and then just, and sorry if the camera shakes. So I hope that I don't get you dizzy. And then I go back. I'm not sure if this is safe doing that, but you know, I've been using this Big Shot for years and it doesn't have any problems, so I guess I'm okay. Oops, there you go. And I just dropped one. So that's one butterfly, and another butterfly. There we go. So that's what I'm gonna do, is just make butterflies. Tonight is all about butterfly, or this morning is all about butterflies. And you know how we always love making birds and butterfly journal or nature journal. There's always butterflies, right? And Angela Kerr loves butterfly. Hey Angela, I love your channel, really. Okay, so just so you can see more. Okay, so let me show you the beauty of this. So you got your scrap paper, or your trash, your junk, and it it becomes an embellishment for your journal. So don't throw them. And if you don't have Big Shot or C6 or the cutting machine, don't worry, because there are templates out there. You can always cut out butterflies. I've done that. I've always used templates too. Sometimes when I visit my kids, I can't always bring my tools, and I just use the templates. So you can cut the the shapes using templates, but don't throw your scraps just like that, because there are so many uses. Again, trash to treasure. Anyways, and these are great embellishments. So hopefully you can stay with me while I do more, and we can chat a bit. So how are you guys doing? I know it's just not a very good time for everybody. It's holiday and it's a long weekend, but we are still in social distancing, so not so much fun. But if we follow the guidelines, we follow the rules, we may be over the COVID-19 much sooner, right? I hope so. I always pray for for this to end, so that we can go back to our normal lives and we can enjoy each other, the company of friends, the company of family members. That's so important. But having said that, we still have to be thankful every day and be grateful for what we have, because despite the tragedy and despite this craziness, oops, I'm okay. It's just I don't like that cracking sound, but that's how it cuts. So despite this COVID-19 crisis, remember that we are still so much blessed, and there's still so much to be thankful for. Okay, so I am making more butterflies. Oopsie, and it's flying everywhere now. Okay, so there you go. I know you can't probably see what I'm doing now. Okay, so just so I can show you. So this is what we've made so far. So we've made all these beautiful butterflies, and then I have a separate die for the bodies, and that I do last. But there we go. So these are all from scrap, and I can use this to embellish the journals and to give away to the recipients of my journals also. And look how beautiful these ones are. These are also from scraps. So so good. So do not worry if you don't have this dies, because you can easily make them using templates. You can easily create something using templates, and you can always use this scrap, right? By the way, Aisha, if you're watching me and listening, I still have to mail you my package. I've had it ready for I guess weeks. I've just been so busy, and or shall I say, not lazy, because I'm doing so much, but one of these days I will mail it out to you. But know that I always watch your channel, and continue encouraging people and motivating people, because you are so blessed with, you're so gifted, you're so blessed with the power of speech, and you're just so positive that when you talk and you give this words of shall I say, wisdom, people are drawn. I am drawn to you. So, I'm one person, and I know you always say, if you can inspire one person, you'll be happy. I'm one person, but I know that there are so many more people who look up to you. I know Jen of Jen's Junk love you. She does, right, Jen? Okay, so that's all I have for now. I'm gonna say bye for now and just do more embellishments. So I hope if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are my subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. And let's grow together, craft together, learn together, and have a great dream and sleep well. Bye everyone. God bless you. Be safe. Thanks again for watching. Take care.